So finding top selling products is not the hard part in dropshipping. I can literally tell you how to do that in the first 1 minute of this actual video. The hard part is letting go of the idea that your success lies on whether you find the perfect product or not. Most people spend way too much time trying to find that one item that's going to make them rich, make them a millionaire, or whatever. And then they start having tunnel vision and neglect every other part of making a profitable dropshipping website. I mean, you really saw this in the spinner fiasco that only happened like a few months ago. You saw thousands of spinner websites that just look like trash because they thought that the product and the trend was going to carry the weight. But don't worry, I'm still going to go over how to find that perfect product for your site, but I'm also going to go over how to actually use that information to convert customers into paying customers. So let's do this. My name is Sam and I teach drop shipping and stuff, so if you're interested in drop shipping or stuff, I suggest you subscribe so you do not miss a thing. So let's find some products, shall we? So to find these golden eggs, you just have to head over to Aliexpress. To do this, all you have to do is search your niche that you have picked out. So dogs. Once you're there, you go to orders. That way you can see what people are buying. And once you're in the orders page, you pick items that you want to sell that the seller right here either has a crown or they have diamonds, anything else, and you don't have to use them. And make sure they have 5 stars as well. That should be a given. And you have all the items you need. Holy cow, now you know how to find the best selling products in your niche. How hard was that? Look, we'll do it again. Golf. Look at that. Golf club head grooving tool. Golf ball pickup bag saver claw. Whatever this is. Look, you found your products. Alright, so this is literally it, guys. Like, you're probably hating me right now because you're like, holy shit, I watched this video and it was a bunch of hollow information. But no, it's not. There is not a secret Szechuan sauce to this. This is it. To understand why and how this is the way, it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, what niche am I in? Golf. What items are people buying? This ball saver claw thing. Is it a trustworthy seller? Yes, it is. If it meets those 3 criteria, then you're on the right track to finding the perfect product in your niche. This, honestly, is probably the most overrated and overcomplicated part of dropshipping. You know how many people have actually messaged me and said that they have not even started dropshipping because they haven't found the right product yet? People are literally not starting because of this. This step trips people up like none other. You know how many sales you're gonna get if you just wait around and not actually start? Well, it's obvious. It's 0. And this is only an issue because there's a common misconception that products are so important for dropshippers' success. I mean, even people that start stores and they have the items are confused as to why they're not making money even though they have these perfect items that sell. And it's really not your fault. It's these oversimplified how-to videos that these gurus push out on such a regular basis. They hype up the sick-ass products. You only have to run $5 Facebook ads and you're gonna be a millionaire just like me. Watch me hop into my new Mercedes. Oh, the website's so basic. It doesn't matter. Nobody's gonna actually check it out. Yeah, you can see where the problem might lie. So get this idea out of your head right now. Did you do it? Awesome. You just gave yourself a 100% higher chance of succeeding at dropshipping. To find out what really sells online and for dropshipping, all you have to do is put yourself in the buyer's shoes. And it's so much easier to do that if you're passionate about the niche you pick. And that's why I always advocate that you love the niche that you pick. But anyways, if you take a step back and look at it at the buyer's perspective, you can start reverse engineering the whole process and then pinpoint your actual issue. You can start right from the ad. What ad would work for you? And on the flip side, what ad wouldn't work for you? What ad would you see and be like, that's a scam? Or that's a ripoff? Oh, they just want my credit card information. Somebody's gonna fall for this. How many times have you seen an ad and you thought that yourself? So why would people actually buy from your ad? Imagine that you actually took the next step and went to your site. What would compel you to buy the product? And buy the product that time and not leave and come back later? And what would turn you off that you would just run for the hills, leave the site and never come back? If you start asking these questions, I guarantee you'll start finding the errors and the reasons why you're not making any sales. You start figuring out it's not your products. It's either you're not building trust or there's lack of continuity between the ads you run and your site. If there's one thing I want you to take from this video is do not overcomplicate picking your items. Just go to Aliexpress, find shit that you would buy, and make sure other people are buying it too. And that's it. Man, it's like, it's cold in this house. Sorry. Like, look at these socks. Look at these. I don't know if you can see them. If I didn't wear these socks, I'd probably get frostbite. But now my feet are fucking sweating like hell. I live such a hard life. Damn it. Alright, so if you want to send some love my way, the perfect way to do that is just press that little subscribe button. That's all you have to do. And if you need something to persuade you to do it, guess what? You're in luck. Because I still have this pop toy. I haven't reached 100 subscribers, so I still have it and it's waiting for home. Mi casa, su casa, re casa. One of my first 100 subscribers is going to be lucky. That's 1 in 100 chance. All you have to do is subscribe and like. And I've done this take like 6 or 7 times. I'm starting to go crazy. So please, just subscribe. Lots of hard work goes into this video. Also, I just want to say you guys are freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. 63 of you, 63 people have contacted me in the last 10 days since I've started this YouTube channel, asking me for tips and tricks and stuff like that. And you guys, like the amount of love that you send my way as well, I don't even know how to explain it, is incredible. And it really does drive me to make more content for you guys. So thank you so much. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.